As you can see, the whale is in front of us, maybe 10 or 15 meters, and I can't see where she is at all. But it didn't start like that. The migration will start in weeks or days, and I thought I had to show what I photographed during the last season. I didn't want to just create a few seconds of this video for whatever social network. So I wanted to enjoy those shots fully and share them as they are. It took me only a few times to capture them by drones. It's quite easy with a bit of patience and good eyes, even if sometimes it can be hard to find them in this vast ocean. I didn't want to share any of that before. The lighting wasn't good, the camera movement weren't good, this shot is shaky, and so on. This scene takes place on the east coast of Australia. Far from my accent, I know. I've been observing humpback whale for years. At first I was so captivated by them that I was watching and not recording any memory of them. Recording them from the shore is one thing, but then I wanted to see them closer. So I tried to swim with them. It wasn't easy. They are big, but below the surface, everything is different. And we could barely see them. And that happened. You need the whale to kind of cooperate with you, to let them come to you. We try a lot of time before even seeing a tip of their fins. But there you go. We felt their song resonate through our bodies. It's an incredible sensation, especially considering that usually you can't hear anything underwater. Hope you enjoyed.